Question number first part. Write the equation of the line through origin and parallel to this line. Write the equation of the line through origin and parallel to the line. So how will it? This line is given. You will find slope of this line and will be what? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Direct general equation is given in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So slope of this line will be what? And that is what? Minus coefficient of x. Minus coefficient of x is what? Plus 4. So plus 4 upon coefficient of y is what? Minus 7. So it will be what? 4 upon 7 is the slope is what? 4 upon 7. Is it clear? 4 upon 7 is the slope and m is okay. Now the equation of the line through origin is equation of the line which passes through origin that is what 0, 0 and with slope m is equal to what? 4 by 7. Why I am taking this line slope? Because lines are, you have to write the equation of the line which is parallel to this line. So slope of that line will be same as slope of this line, because lines are parallel, then slopes are what? Equal. And if lines are what? Perpendicular, then slope is what? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Is it clear? So same slope I will use for this also. So what is the equation? If line passes through any point and with slope. So slope, point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1. So y minus point is what? 0 is equal to m is what? 4 by 7, x minus 0. So y is equal to 4 by 7 x, or you can write 4x is equal to 7y by cross multiplication, or equation is 4x minus 7y is equal to 0. 4x minus 7y is equal to 0. This is the equation. Or directly if I tell you, this is the equation. This is what? Equation 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. If you have to find equation of a line which is parallel to this line and passes through origin. So already I told, if this is the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If this passes through origin, then this constant part won't be there. So it will be what? Ax plus by is equal to what? 0. Is it clear? Ax plus by is equal to 0. And if lines are parallel, then a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 means, let's say this is our equation, ax plus by is equal to 0. So a1 upon a2 means 4 upon a is equal to what? Minus 7 upon b is not equal to 13 upon, here nothing is there, so 0. So no need to read this. Only you can write a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. We can see because here constant part is not there. So 4 upon a is equal to minus 7 upon b. So minus 7a is equal to what? 4. Minus 7 upon a is equal to 4 upon capital A is equal to 4 upon minus 4 upon minus 4 upon a. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So minus 7a is equal to 4b, or a is equal to 4b upon minus 7. So you can substitute here 4b upon minus 7x, 4b upon minus 7x plus by is equal to 0, or you can write b is common, minus 4x by 7 plus y is equal to 0, or this is constants of minus 4x upon 7 plus y is equal to 0, or minus 4x plus 7y is equal to 0 only. So 7y minus 4x is equal to 0, 7y minus 4x is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 0, or 4x minus 7y is equal to 0 if we will take minus common. Is it clear? So it is, but it is the easiest method. Like this you have to solve. Now question number first, second part. Question number first, second part. Write the equation of the line through origin and perpendicular to this line. Line is given. The given line is line 5x minus 3y plus 17. 5x minus 3y plus 17. What will be the slope of this line? Slope is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Directly I can write minus coefficient of x is what? Plus 5 upon coefficient of y is what? Minus 3. Minus cancel. Slope is what? 5 by 3. Is it clear? And required line, which equation we have to find? That line and this line is what? Perpendicular. So slope will be what for that line? Slope for required line. Both are line is perpendicular. Let's say this slope is what? M1. So slope for required line M2 is equal to what? Both are perpendicular, then M1, M2 is equal to what? Minus 1. So M2 will be what? Minus 1 upon M1. So minus 1 upon 5 by 3. Or I can write minus, it is A upon B upon C. So I can write what? A into C upon B. So it will be what? Minus 1 into 3 upon 5 or minus 3 upon 5 is the slope for required line which passes through origin. Which passes through origin. So I can write equation of a line. Equation of a line passes through 0, 0 with slope m is equal to minus 3 by 5. You know the formula. Previously we learned this. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, where y1 and x1 are these points and slope is given. So y minus 0 is equal to minus 3 by 5 x minus 0, or y is equal to minus 3x by 5, or by cross multiplication 5y plus 5y is equal to minus 3x, or you can write 5y plus 3x is equal to 0, or you can write 3x plus 5y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Thank you.